Rarely does an opportunity like this come along. Set on the coveted stretch of the North Shore, where true sandy beachfront homes are seldom available, this exceptional oceanfront residence is a legacy property to cherish. Nestled among an array of coconut trees, it blends modern luxury with timeless Hawaii charm. The open-concept design with vaulted ceilings is filled with natural light and captures sweeping ocean views from nearly every room. A full wall of sliding pocket doors opens to the expansive covered lanai, creating seamless indoor-outdoor living with cooling trade winds all year round. Wake to panoramic ocean views from 2 luxurious ensuite bedrooms, each with walk-in closets, offering comfort, privacy, and style. End the day in your private hot tub with shoreline views or next to the cozy fireplace. Brand new luxury flooring and refined finishes elevate the home throughout. This expansive sandy beachfront offers a rare setting for any and all ocean activities, or simply enjoying the tranquility of one of Oahu's most pristine beaches. A once-in-a-generation opportunity to own a special residence, where modern coastal luxury meets the beauty and serenity of Hawaii. Contact Heather Selvatel with List Sotheby's International Realty for more information.